Hi there, welcome into the channel. My name is Laurel with the Curated Caravan. I've got a little impromptu haul today. I've got 15 things that I got for $15. It was a fill a bag day at one of my local thrift stores. And I just cleaned out my closet, so I wanted to dump off some stuff just to the donation, you know, those donation bin things. And they have a thrift store that's next to it. And you know, sometimes I find stuff there, but I haven't been to the Saturday fill-a-bag day for, probably at least a year. And I really didn't think I would even find enough to fill a bag, but oh my goodness, this is a fantastic haul. At least I think it is, because I didn't fully look up comps, but some of the stuff I just bought just purely on brand. And then some of it was just to fill up the rest of my bag. So it was $15 for, it was like one of those like Walmart, canvasy kind of bags. Anyway, they give you one of those. And at first I looked around and thought, well, if I find a couple things, it'll be worth it. So we'll start out slow. So this is one that I just put in as filler. It's just a joie, but it is 100% linen and it's a nice color. So I picked that up. So all of these things ended up being $1 each because, like I said, 15 things and it was $15. Next, this is an activewear brand that I find sells pretty well for me, and it's Title IX. Title IX. And so this is just like an activewear top, you know, not super exciting, but decent enough for $1. And then, I don't know, I think somebody must have just donated. I'm thinking this is all from a singular person just because the styles and stuff are similar. But so first starting out with this Maeve by Anthropologie. So it is the newer label, just this cute little black and white knit top, V-neck, sleeveless, polka dots, all that. So that is great for $1. This one I have not even looked at comps at all. It could be nothing, but I don't know. It looked like something very interesting to me. It's just a t-shirt, but it's from Tokidoki, Los Angeles, and it says designed in Italy. So those are good signs to me. And so it is like a, you know, Japanese cartoon kind of thing. It says, "Let me go." I don't know what's going on in this photo or in this drawing, but what is that? Let me go. Anyway, I don't know, and I haven't comped it, but I have high hopes for that. Next up, this was just for me. This is just a basic white Gap t-shirt, boat neck. I love a boat neck, and it's nice and clean, and just basic. Okay, this is a Bowden top in yellow. Yellow seems to be really hot right now. It's a newer label from Bowden, and it's got these puffy sleeves and an eyelet like crochet there, and like I said, nice color. And then this one I haven't looked up comps either, but it's made in Portugal. It's got designed in France, made in Portugal. It's got European sizing, and the brand is called Mercari. Mercari. You can see that. And I got it because it just looked really nice. And it has this, the zipper has got a braided hole, which seems pretty high end to me. Haven't looked that up, so I will show you when I do the editing. I will look everything up and find out if this stuff was worth it. I think it probably was. This was just a throw in because why not, since I've already buying the bag. It is a little faded. It is a J. Crew cardigan. It's the Karen cardigan, and a little button front floral. And this was also kind of a throw in, just Mountain Hardwear, but it's a little hoodie shirt, women's shirt in a light yellow. It's a button front hoodie. Anyway, nothing exciting in that one. This one is another piece from Maeve, made by Anthropologie, and it's a really colorful popover shirt. Looks, you know, newer. I don't think Amplify doesn't have a date on it, no, but it's just the tag is one of the newer tags, so that is great. This is a not exciting one. This is just an Ann Taylor horse spit design blouse, nice career wear from Ann Taylor. Ann Taylor retail is pretty high, actually. It doesn't resell for very much, but it is polyester. But still, I will pick them up. Another piece from Maeve by Anthropology, kind of similar to the other black and white one, but it's a square neck floral stretch knit. I mean, for $1, I think these are fantastic. Okay, these next ones, okay, this is from, actually I thought it was Cabby, and I was fine with Cabby, but it is Marni, which is a better brand than Cabby. Much more expensive. Great pattern there. It's got a pleat in the back, sleeveless, and it's in fantastic condition. All of these are in like really good condition. So I'm super excited about this haul. This is why we resell. Okay, this one is Proenza Schuler, and I was like, oh, it's gotta be Proenza Schuler for Target. You know, I've seen those before and I bought those before, but this is just their regular label. And it is a little knit sleeveless top. Actually, I didn't look at the inside label, but it is wool, silk, nylon, and spandex. And I'm sure retail on this was sky high, but I will look it up for us. And then lastly, this was the first one that like got me very excited. And it's like, you think everyone around you can see what a deal you just found. And you try to act cool. But this is a Dolce & Gabbana, and it's got the hologram and all that on the tag, wherever that tag is, and it goes with the rest, you know. Somebody just donated. There's the hologram, and I don't know if that's focusing. If not, I will take a picture of it for you. But it's got, you know, it's got the whole authentic label, and it is just a sleeveless blouse with a mock net and a rosette up here. But for $1, yes, I will take that. And actually, I thought all of these were fantastic finds for a fill a bag day. So tell me what you think in the comments. Like I said, this is why I love reselling. You just never know what you're gonna find. I was not expecting to find 5 things, let alone 15 things that I could buy to resell. So thanks for joining me on this one, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.